Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. iKaizer Chiefs sibonile bafethu ukuthi isayine ama-player amaningi laphana ku-off season. uKhanyisa Mayo, uSilva, uNdlovu, uBatman Velebaya, uCheslett, uLebohang Maboya, uPaseka Mako, uThabiso Munyane, Ikadaro, uNkanyiso Shinga. Umbuzo wami ukuthi who has been your best signing for iKaizer Chiefs? Iplayer olibona ukuthi hayi leli bashaya bonke-ke emakhanda bafowethu. Uye o-better and greater than bonke abantu abasayiniwe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Abantu abaningi iKaizer Chiefs babathole mahhala. UShinga abamsayine ngemali, bamkhiphela imali uShinga, Ikadaro mahhala, uMunyane almost bonke mahhala. Nolo uSiphesihle Ndlovu bamkhokhele. uSilva-ke yinto engingayazi ukuthi bamkhokhele or kanjani, because of uSilva besasenayo i-contract laphana e-Indonesia, sazi ukuthi uyikhanselile or iKaizer Chiefs paid something, we don't know. So far uMayo unegoli elilodwa, uSilva una-4 goals, uNdlovu unegoli, uLuke Batman akakadlali, uVelebaya sesimbonile, exciting Cheslett akakadlali, uLebohang Maboya sebamnikile ama-minutes lapho nalapho igame seyophela, 10 minutes or 10 plus minutes lapho. For me, so far the best performing player kuwo wonke ama-signing we-Kaizer Chiefs would be between Thabiso Munyane noSilva bafethu. uSilva for a fact that uyi-super sub, contribution yakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs coming from the bench, akwazi ukushaya ama-goal, so important kakhulu for iKaizer Chiefs. But the best signing for me so far bafethu ku-Kaizer Chiefs uThabiso Munyane. What a superstar, what a super talented star. Ngikhulumile earlier mangithi udlala ngathi he has something to prove, but super talented umfowethu. For me is by far the best. Well, not that far compared to oSilva. Ubani umunye uNdlovu, okay, uNdlovu akadlala ama-match that much. uMayo uphazamiswe ama-injuries, but yeah, Thabiso Munyane takes the cup yokuba i-best signing for iKaizer Chiefs. Ikadaro, they are showing equality nabo mebedlala laphana ukuthi bayakwazi ukuholda amabhola. Paseka Mako siyazi ukuthi belimele manje is back ejimini. Naye omunye already sekathole i-man of the match, cabanga musha ethimini, but already sethole i-man of the match laphana, which signals ukuthi uyi-quality langempela. For ukuthi bamthole mahhala laphana ku-Orlando Pirates, and uye umuntu omdala kunabo bonke abamsayinile ulo umfethu laphana, because of already yena una-31 kule squad lesi se-Kaizer Chiefs kubantu ababasayinile, udlala laphana i-left back. Yeah, basayina ama-player ane-experience azokwazi ukubasiza. I saw something earlier on today, ama-player eKaizer Chiefs lawa amasha, ubani? uBatman usponsor iPhuma. I'm sure the deal is improved because of sekanebuzz manje eserious laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Since efikile nje laphana ku-Chiefs, akakadlali nokudlala, but uLuke Batman already sekanebuzz, meaning that on the ground image yakhe iloke iyakhula angakadlali nokudlala. So it makes sense ukuthi i-brand efana nePhuma or abanye bathi Phuma is associated naye laphana. It shows the magnitude of iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi i-team ebaluleke kangakanani. Omunye ngimbona sebenza nama-brand amaningi, uThabiso Munyane, sponsor futhi i-Adidas, which clashes ne-sponsor se-Kaizer Chiefs, but iKapa, but yeah, umfana usponsor i-Adidas. Isikhathi esiningi mabambona kuma-colours lesiya black we-Adidas bacabanga i-Orlando Pirates abantu, so mayigqoke i-Adidas kwesinye isikhathi abantu bathi hayi sikhumbuza i-Pirates yini, uku-Chiefs manje hlukana nalento yakho. But yeah, it's just i-sponsor. uLebohang Maboya nayo usebenza nama-brand amaningi kakhulu. Yeah, it shows ukuthi kuba ku-Kaizer Chiefs they introduce you to the business side of ibhola, not just nje ube yi-footballer nje kuphela, but the most important thing engakugenerate-ela imali ukuthi usebenzise ubuso bakho ngoba uku-Kaizer Chiefs, ukwazi ukugenerate ilokhunjana imali from you being i-player nje le-Kaizer Chiefs. So it's very important. So ama-player angazi, so khona ama-player vele abawahambisile ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ayishilo iKaizer Chiefs, which mawubheka wonke lama-player lawa ukuthi a-contribute-eni ku-Kaizer Chiefs lawa ahambile, uyabona ukuthi okay, abaningi bafowethu, abo-Shiva Viro, abo-Potsane, Zwane, Mashiyane, Sabelo Radebe, uyabona ukuthi ama-player amaningi bawangacontribute. uDove, but uDove to be fair, uDove mina bafowethu hayi i-player lamjida loyo. i-player eli-serious loya muntu loya, akusiyo indaba yokudlala bafethu, uyi-player eli-serious ngempela. So man, I thought maybe bangamnika i-contract, but yeah, maybe it was just time ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs imhambise. But I thought maybe I deserve a renewal considering the fact that ukuthi udlale kahle Nedbank Cup finally. He was not himself like 100%, but you could see ukuthi there's something about yena meyidlala laphana. Ku-game yakhe ku-Nedbank Cup ku-final umake sure bafethu ukuthi unkotha ngesipiti sakhe akaphefumuli laphana, cabanga. Akaphefumuli at all, akasitholi ispace sokuthi azenzele. Cause the previous game before leyo final leyo sibone unkotha azenzela awubani umfethu laphana bafethu uCross, yes, uCross, because of uleka ipace. So mebhekane nama-player faster exciting kuba nzima ngempela for uCross ukuthi akwazi ukucloser down lawo ma-players lawo ukuthi akwazi ukudila nawo. But yeah, asikhave wonke ama-player ayishilo i-Kaizer Chiefs, which is uMdantsane, uBloom, ulo Sabelo Radebe, uBongani Sam, uCastillo, uDove, uMashiane, uZwane, uShiva Vero, Potsane, Yusuf Maart, captain. Yusuf Maart bamthengile, then abanye baba-release-ile nje. UPotsane udlalela iSoil FC, uRang Shiva Vero, ulena ku-first division yale Saudi Arabia, la kudlala khona unkotha but udlala ku-division lower. Khandwe imali bafowethu. uZwane ukusiwelela yena noHappy Mashiane, uDove ulena e-Iraq yo country engadumanga kahle, but-ke sad uCastillo akana-team. uBongani Sam kuripotiwe kuthiwa uzosayina neChippa United, but uSima bam-announcer. uSabelo Radebe akana-team. uMdantsane-ke naye akana-team. Imagine usuka ku-Kaizer Chiefs mara awuna-team. This is just sad. But yeah, it's the nature of the game. Sometimes udlala kahle ethimini ufuna abantu abaningi, but sometimes izinto zakho uma zingakuhambeli kahle vele kuyaphela ngawe, cabanga. Cause I remember ubani le player leli ubani uLipasa, yes, uLipasa mekhuluma umuntu waku-TS Galaxy ekhuluma indaba yokuthi kulula for abadlali ukuthi mebesuka kuma-big 3 teams baye overseas. So he thought ukuthi maybe uLipasa unama-options laphana overseas, potentially angaya overseas before acabanga ama-teams wase-South Africa, only for uLipasa ukuthi ajoyine i-team iSoil FC, team ezistrugglelayo bafowethu. So yeah, the unpredictability of football, ziyakhala. You never know where you end up playing for a big 3 and then also in a team. But yeah, wonke ama-player lawo bafethu, the best player so far abalisayinile uThabiso Munyane. The best player abareleasile, when I think of him ngithi this one, there was something special about yena uDove bafethu. But-ke bekabuya ku-long term injury. To be honest, i-Kaizer Chiefs ikwazile ukumbekezelela uDove. Unfortunately-ke bekufike isikhathi sokuthi ayishiye i-Kaizer Chiefs, because now is 31. I-Warrior ne-fighter for i-Kaizer Chiefs, i-captain yabo Yusuf Maart, ingcono ba-benefit something ngokumthengisa. Danko bafowethu, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers.